Hi everybody, support me by subscribing to the channel by click the subscribe button and then click the bell button. Stay with me because I am gonna be always with you. Hello everyone, how is it going? I am good, and you? Today spoken Arabic sentence is كيف حالك? كيف حالك? So كيف حالك means how are you, or how is it going? Now I should say something here. كيف حالك and كيف حالك and شلونك and شلونك. Now focus please. كيف حالك if you are saying how are you for a male. كيف حالك if you are saying how are you or how is it going for a female. شلونك, it's also how are you but in a different form, okay? شلونك, how are you for a male, and شلونك, how are you for a female. كيف حالك or شلونك and كيف حالك or شلونك. This all means how are you or how is it going. كيفك and كيفك. كيفك, it's for a male, how are you for a male. كيفك, كيفك, how are you for a female. So now we have like 6 forms, 3 for a male and 3 for a female. كيف حالك, شلونك, كيفك for a male, and كيف حالك, شلونك, كيفك for a female. And all of them has the same meaning, how are you or how is it going or what's up, etc. See you next time and salam. Hi everybody, support me by subscribing to the channel by click the subscribe button and then click the bell button. Stay with me because I am gonna be always with you.